Sa pagtulong sa kapwa. Take two. Sa pagtulong sa kapwa. For helping other people.
Wow!
Parang kalalaban na ng kandidato. For helping many people. You don't need to be a rich person. You can help a little bit. Not in the camera, in reality.
Wow!
Be kind because we are Filipino. And we can do what we do in our life style. Yes. So, how can I provide a meaning of who I am? That you are blah 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 on me. I'll share you this something on my message to one of my friends. Yes, I was helping out those people around me, but people like bam 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 bam. Don't believe them because they can say bad things on me because they are insecure. That's why they want you to be lost and you are bye bye in the family on here in YouTube. Hello guys, this is the meaning of helping. I will send. Translate ko yun sa Tagalog, no? I will translate in Tagalog. Then I send, di ba? Yes. Translate natin yan. Siyempre, you know guys, I know you don't know what I'm telling about in Tagalog. So, I guess you can understand this before watching this area. Yeah. Translate. Filipino. Okay. Election. Pilipino. Ayaw. Mag-click. Hindi mo find this in. Okay. Translate. Okay, Tagalog yan. Diba? Okay. Sinabi nyo ngayon. Okay. Diba? When you are helping a person, you don't need anything. Just do it. Yeah. Not in the camera. Reality. In life. Diba?
Wow. Fantastic,
Puro
baby.
kayabangan. Di puro kayabang. Napapromo ng mga TV, etc. Ang pagtulong in helping a person just in ora mismo action. You know what I mean?
Wow!
Labrador's family help a person, no have a fried chicken.
Wow.
Okay,
Fantastic,
to all
baby.
of you watching this, don't stop asar, haring bangis, become Mr. Barbie.
no!
Yes. Barbie, haring bangis, Barbie. Maggagawa tayo sa lahat ng comment section niya ng mga edit. Alright? So, para naman sa malaking tao, nakapre, a person, he not exchanging it, he was not trying motorcade, no, non-stop, naturuan siya. Okay? Okay, mananahimik lang kami ni H. Alright. So, kung mang-aasar lang naman din kayo, huwag nyo nang ituloy sapagkat mas malakas akong mang-asar because people is loves me. Yeah. No matter what I'm doing, you will do the best better to change your personality, identity, attitude.
Wow.
Mawawala yan sa aya't gusto nyo. Nandito pa rin ako. Nakabantay 24 hours. Alright. Thank you for watching. Tumulong kayo. Kundi. Alright. Alam nyo na. Go! Guys, asarin ang mga labadores. Brothers.